Hey guys, Cam here from Pocket-lint, and BlackBerry Mobile is back. Again. This time with the Key2 LE. It takes a lot of what was good about the regular Key2, but makes it more accessible. The phone is slightly slimmer and has a polycarbonate shell, and ever so slightly smaller keys with polished frets. Presumably to keep the costs down, the keyboard doesn't have a touch-sensitive surface, but you do still get the speed key for quickly switching between apps, and a fingerprint sensor in the spacebar. In the hand, the phone feels comfortable and light thanks to the less square edges and the dimpled, soft-touch texture on the back, and the lack of a black or silver colour option is refreshing. This time we get slate, which is a sort of a grey-blue, there's champagne, which contrasts the subtle gold with a navy blue, and atomic, which is striking red and navy. Inside the phone there's a Snapdragon 636 processor paired with 4GB of RAM and a 3000 mAh battery, which, although smaller than the Key2's, should still get even the most demanding user through a day, and can last up to 22 hours of mixed use, as well as being Quick Charge 3 compatible. The 4.5-inch 1080x1620 screen is the same as before, and the dual camera system on the back is 13 megapixels and a 5 megapixel depth sensor. But there are a couple of cool software features built into this Android Oreo phone. You get the hub and the Detect security apps among others, as you would normally get, but you can also now clone apps by simply dragging an icon to the top of the screen. Secondly, you can press the convenience key to launch Google Assistant, or long press it to issue a command and then let go to activate that command, or double tap it to launch Google Lens. And one thing we can't show you is the new intelligent power management feature that reminds you when to charge your phone based both on your calendar schedule and your charging and usage patterns. Now the phone goes on sale at the end of September and will start at £349 for the 32GB model, and you'll also be able to get a 64GB model for $399. So that's your quick look at the Key2 LE. I've been Cam. I'm at Cam Bunton on all the important social media networks. Hit that thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you again soon.